Oh, look at here. We got an Alfred Hitchcock festival going on. Look at these guys.
What are you feeding them?
I'm feeding them. They're eating peanuts right now. I came down here today to show you this fake ass sky. Take a look. They're whipping up a storm tonight, guys. I don't know if you can see the frequencies up there, microwave frequencies, all through the sky here. I see the line too, by the way. Up there, over here. More lines. These guys are still up there. So just wanted to share this with you. Take care, guys. I'm out. Of course, the sun's blocked too. I love that. But nuggets.